Hi, welcome back to Teacher Laila's online classroom. So for today's lesson, we are going to learn about phonics for the sound of ear. Okay, this is for English language year 2 for the phonics base lesson. Let's go for the first sound. Alright, let's say the sound together. Listen to me first. Ear, 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 ear. Now, let us blend the sound with the other letter. K, k, ear, cure, cure, k, ear, cure, cure. Read my lips. Cure, cure. P, p. It's a voiceless sound. P, p. Ear, ear. Pure, pure, pure. S, ear, ear. Sure, sure, sure. Now let us say the words again. Cure, cure. Sure, sure. Pure, pure, pure. Now let's read together. The doctor tried to cure the patient. The doctor tried to cure the patient. This is the pure honey. This is the pure honey. I am sure you will enjoy this meal. I am sure you will enjoy this meal. Let's see the words again. Cure, cure. Sure, sure. And the last one, pure, pure, pure honey, pure. I think that's all for today. Thank you.